Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today's video is going to be a curriculum review. The curriculum that I'm going to be discussing today is Introduction to Composition, and it's from Memoria Press. This Introduction to Composition coursework is just the beginning of an entire series of composition work. This is for 3rd and 4th graders according to the publisher. If you would like to see the higher levels of composition, I will link to my review of those compositions below. As I said before, this curriculum is published by Memoria Press, which is one of my favorite curriculum publishers. Each one of these books is less than $10 through the publisher, which makes it very, very affordable. However, I did get mine through Rainbow Resources because I like the free shipping. I will link both the page for Rainbow Resources and for Memoria Press down below so that you can check it out further. In order to use this curriculum, you actually have to have other books, and the other books that you will need are Farmer Boy, Charlotte's Web, A Bear Called Paddington, Mr. Popper's Penguin, and if you go through the curriculum very quickly, there is a supplemental lesson on the Moffats. I'm just going to go ahead and flip open the books. Here is the teacher's key. I already have the student manual open to the second lesson, so you can see side by side they are identical. On the teacher's manual you have all of the answers and the students' practice pages are empty. I'm just going to concentrate on showing you the teacher's book since you saw that the student book is identical without the answers. So in this particular lesson we are going to read a passage out of Farmer Boy. The second part of this lesson is guided questions, so there are several questions about the reading, and answering those questions leads into an outline, and once the outline is written, the child can write a summary of that section of the story. And the last part of this lesson is a very short dictation. That's the end of the formal lesson. However, there are supplemental lessons in the back. I do really like this section because it has practice exercises for the lesson that you've done. This is a supplemental. So in this particular supplemental, it talks about writing smooth sentences and practicing basically taking short sentences and compiling them into one complete sentence. As you can see, this is a really great introduction to composition curriculum for younger students. It gives them a slow and steady approach to getting them really involved in the composition work that's to come in the higher levels. Thanks so much for hanging out to the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. If you like this kind of content, do hit the bell so that you'll be notified of new uploads. And have a blessed day. Bye-bye.